Hey, it is almost 10 p.m. and I just want to do my makeup, so yeah, whatever, who cares. I'm not really a foundation type of person, so I'm just gonna use this one. This is from Minimeli. I believe this is in the shade Natural, like the number 3. Yeah, so as you can see, it has very full coverage and it doesn't feel tacky and sticky. I just love the finish. I really love the finish of this concealer. To be honest, I don't need a powder to set this one, but I just don't want to look shiny, so I'm gonna take a powder. I've been using this like forever. Ever since I started makeup, this was my first powder. Today I want to do a soft glam makeup, and I like to use something brown, like a cool tone brown, and I like to use this palette from Focallure. This is their sweet makeup palette. This is like 3-in-1 palette. So here you have the blush, you have some eyeshadows, a glitter topper, and a highlighter. I'm going to contour first. This one is the Jasmine meets Rose, and I'm in the shade SO2 or S02. I don't know if I'm going to upload this video, but I just want to do my makeup today. So I'm already done contouring. Oh wait, I forgot to contour my nose. I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush because for some reason this is the only brush I have that is clean. Okay, now let's move on with the eyeshadows. So I'm gonna take this like a cool tone brown shade, very light cool tone brown shade, and I'm just gonna use a blending brush. I'm gonna apply slightly above because sometimes if I open my eyes, the eyeshadow doesn't seem to appear on my what do you call this one? My eyelids, or like my upper eyelids, and sometimes I end up like having no eyeshadows. So I want to apply it slightly above. And then I'm gonna blend it on the outer part. Oh, I have some notifications. I'm looking at my laptop right now. Also replying some emails. And what else I'm gonna have here? Maybe I'm gonna download more background music. So I'm also gonna use this shade on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take this darker brown shade and I'm just gonna apply this close to my lashes. So I'm gonna use this angled brush. Or maybe I'm just gonna apply on the outer part. Like that, just to have a little definition. Like compared to the other eye, this one is more like defined, and it kind of makes my lashes look thicker, and I look like I'm already applying mascara, which is a very good technique. And also on my lower lash line, I'm gonna do the same, just on the outer part. that's it. But I want to add some shimmers because you know me, I like to apply some shimmers. So I'm gonna take this shade. I don't even know what shade is this. It's just like very coppery. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna place that all over. Oh, that's so much there. Oh, oh, whatever. Oh, I love it. I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh. I think I'm just gonna curl my lashes today. I'm not gonna apply some mascara. So for my blush, I'm just gonna use this shade. I have no idea what would be the title of this video, but you know, we'll see. I want it close to my lower lash line, like a drunk blush makeup. I'm obsessed with that look. So, this blush is so sheer. For my lips, I think I'm gonna use this lip liner. This is from EB Matte lip liner, and this is in, what shade is this? Mirrored Mocha. Let me swatch it for you. So that's what it looks like. And just to tie up the look together, I kind of like going to remove my my lip balm. This is from Focallure Jelly-clear Dewy Lip Tint and the brown shades. The lighter one is the 401 and the darker is the 405. I'm going to use the lighter one first and apply the darker on the center. Maybe I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara, just a little bit. Okay, I am done. Just in case if I upload this video, well, I would like to do an outro. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye. Good night.